Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I will explain to you on how to balance chemical equations. So, to balance this chemical equation, there are three steps. The first one is, first we balance the element that other than oxygen and hydrogen. After that, we will balance the oxygen and the hydrogen. For example, we have BaOH2 plus HCl produce BaCl2 plus H2O. So first we will balance the elements other than O and H. So we list down the element that found in this equation. The first one is we have Ba and then we have Cl, the element that other than oxygen and hydrogen. So first we balance this element first. So for Ba, on the reactant side, we have one Ba, and then on the product side, we also has one Ba. So means that the number of Ba has been balanced. But for Cl, uh, on the reactant side, it has one HCl, and then on the right side it has two Cl. So what we need to do is to multiply the Cl on the reactant side by 2. Okay, and then we balance the oxygens. So on the right side we have two oxygen. No, on the reactant side we have two oxygen, and on the what on the product side we have one oxygen, so we need to multiply the oxygen by 2. So for hydrogens, so right now we have on the reactant side we have two hydrogens plus two hydrogen from HCl, because the HCl we have times 2. So we have two hydrogen here. We have two hydrogen, and then this one also, because we have multiplied it by 2, so means that we have two hydrogen. And then on the right side we have 2 times 2 hydrogen. Okay, 2 times 2 hydrogen. So we have 4. So means that the total hydrogen on the reaction side is 4, and on the product side is also 4. So means that the number of hydrogen has been balanced. So we write the equation. So for this one, we have BaOH2 solid plus this one has multiplied by 2. So 2HCl aqueous, and then this one produce BaCl2, and then for this one it has multiplied by 2, means that we have 2H2O liquid. So this is your balance equation. Okay. Next, we look at the second example. I have HNO3, COCO3, CONO3 2, and then H2O and CO2. So we list down the elements that other than oxygen and hydrogen first. So for in this case, we have nitrogen, we have cobalt, and carbon. Okay, for nitrogen, on the reactant side, I have one nitrogen here. And then on the product side, I have two nitrogen here. So means that I need to multiply the nitrogen equals to with 2. So to balance the number of nitrogen, I need to multiply the number of nitrogen by 2. And then for cobalt, on the left side, I have one cobalt. And then on the right side, I have 1 cobalt. So means that the number of cobalt has been balanced. How about carbon? So on the reactant side, I have 1 carbon. In the product side here, I have CO2. Okay, 1 carbon. So means that the number of carbon has been balanced. Okay, and then after that, we look at the number of oxygen. So oxygen. So right now, the oxygen here is means since that the HNO3 we have multiplied it by 2, so means that we have 6 oxygen here, and then we have 3 oxygen here. So total is 9. And then this one we have 3 times 2 is 6. And then in H2O we have 1. In CO2 we have 2. So total is also 9. So the number of hydrogen has been, the number of oxygen is balanced. Okay, how about hydrogen? Okay, hydrogen. So hydrogen here, since that the HNO3 we have multiplied by 2, so means that we have 2 hydrogen. Sini tak ada. Ni tak ada hydrogen. Okay, this one H2O we have 2 hydrogen. CO2 tak ada hydrogen. So means that the number of hydrogen has been balanced. So our equation will become, so this one has multiplied by 2 means that we have 2 HNO3 equals plus COCO3 solid produce CO NO3 2 aqueous plus H2O liquid plus CO2 gas. So this is your balance equation. Okay, we look at the third example. Okay, this one we have Na3PO4 plus CuNO3 2 and then Cu3PO4 2 and NaNO3. So first we list down the elements that other than oxygen and hydrogen. So first we have sodium, and then we have phosphorus, and then I have copper and nitrogen. Okay. Kan? Okay. So first we look at the sodium. So sodium here we have 3 sodium below Na3PO4, and then CuNO3 no sodium, and then on the product side CuPO4 tak ada sodium. Okay, this one I have 1 sodium. Okay, so what we need to do, the number of sodium is not balanced, so I need to times 3 the NaNO3. Okay, I times 3 the NaNO3 so that I get the balanced number of sodium. How about phosphorus? In Na3PO4 I have 1 phosphorus. In CuNO3 no phosphorus. And then in the Cu3PO4 2 I have 2 phosphorus. Ni dia darab dengan 2 kan. Okay, so I have 2 phosphorus. So means that the number of phosphorus on the reactant side is not balanced. So I need to multiply by 2. So remember, if I multiply by 2 here, so the number of sodium has changed. It will become 2. So I need to multiply against the number of sodium here. It will become 2. Okay, because this one I have 6 sodium and this one also I have to make it 6. Okay, and then for copper, okay, and then for copper, on the reactant side I have 1 copper, and on the product side I have 3 copper. Means that I have unbalanced copper, so I need to multiply by 3 for CuNO3 2. Okay, and then for nitrogen, I have, okay, this one, first I have 2 nitrogen in CuNO3 2 times 3 equals to 6 nitrogen. And this one I have 1 times 3 times 2. So also I have 6 nitrogen here. Okay. In the NaNO3, I have 1 nitrogen, and then just now I have multiplied it by 3. So 1 times 3, 3, and then I multiply it again by 2. So it's equals to 6. So the number of hydrogen is balanced. So to write the since that all of the element has been balanced, and then we look at oxygen. Do we have any oxygen here? Okay, so for oxygen, for Na3PO4, in the Na3PO4 I have 4 oxygen. Since that I have multiplied it by 2, so it will become 8. Then this one 0. We have a 0, sorry. The oxygen is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is equals to 18. So the total here I have 26. Okay, this one we have PO4 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. So the number of oxygen has been balanced, 26. So your answer is because of Na3PO4 we have multiplied it by 2, so it will become 2Na3PO4 equals plus, okay, this one multiply by 3, so 3CuNO3 2 equals, and then this one no multiplication, so Cu3PO4 2 solid plus this one times 3 and times 2 means that we have 6. 6 NaNO3 equals, okay, that one. Okay, that is your answer. So I have 2 Na3PO4 plus 3 CuNO3 2. So produce Cu3PO4 2 plus 6 NaNO3 equals. Okay. So I want all of you to try to balance this 7 equation so that we can discuss it in class. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.